Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. We are learning sets in mathematics. In our last video, we learned the definition and concept of a set, then different methods of describing the set. And we also learned some types of the sets. We could not cover all the types of the sets because of shortage of time. So in this video, we'll be covering the remaining types of the sets. We had covered almost 6 types of the sets in our last video, and those were empty sets, finite set, infinite set, singleton set, equal set, and equivalent set. And we were discussing a universal set. So let's start universal set afresh. Universal set is a big set that contains all the elements, all the items under consideration. All the items or all the elements under consideration means that the context, in which context you are studying that set, in that context, all the elements are covered in that set. For example, if you are saying that there are 30 students in class 8, then those 30 students comprise universal set. All other sets are subset of universal set. For example, out of those 30 students, 4 students were absent today. So a set of the absent students is a subset of universal set. And the set of present students is also a subset of the all the students of the class universal set. The students who are not wearing uniform, the set of the students who are not wearing uniform is also a subset. And the set of students who are wearing uniform is also a subset of the entire class, which is universal set. So this is the concept of universal set. Universal set में सारे मेम्ब्रेन, सारे एलिमेंट्स या आइटम्स होते हैं जो आप कंसिडर कर रहे होते हैं. अगर आप स्कूल लेवल पे कर रहे हैं तो ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स इन द स्कूल, उसमें फिर द स्टूडेंट्स इन क्लास 4 इज द सबसेट ऑफ ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ दैट स्कूल. तो वो आपको देखना होता है किस कॉन्टेक्स्ट में बात कर रहे हैं. उस कॉन्टेक्स्ट में एवरी एलिमेंट इज इंक्लूडेड इन द यूनिवर्सल सेट. ओके, नाउ फॉर एग्जांपल वी हैव 10 numbers from 1 to 10 which form universal set. So universal set is indicated by this capital U. Universal set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and it is in curly brackets. Now, there are different subsets of this universal set. First set, A, is a set of all even numbers in the universal set. They are 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Then is the set of all odd numbers in the universal set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. So both of these are subsets of universal set. And then set of prime numbers. C is 2, 3, 5, 7. They are prime numbers. Then set of composite numbers. 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. So all these 4 sets, they are subsets of universal set. So universal set is a big set that contains all the elements under consideration. Okay, so let's go ahead. And now the next set is, next type 8 is subset. Subset. What is a subset? This is number 8. Number 8. Okay. Subset. A subset is a set whose every element belongs to another set. For example, A is 1 and 2. This is a set. Now there's another set, B is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Now A is a subset of B because every element of A belongs to set B. Every element of set A, that is 1 and 2, belongs to set B, 1 and 2. So A is a subset of B, and we'll write it like this. A is a subset like this, subset of B. When A is a subset of B, then B is a superset of A. B is a superset. How do we write it? We write B and just literally invert the sign of subset like this. So B is the superset of A. So we have learned another type of sets, superset, subset and superset. So A is the subset of B because every member of A, every element of A is present in set B. Now, if A is 1, 2, and 3, is every element of A present in B? Yes, 1, 2, 3. So A is a subset of B when the members of A are 1, 2, and 3. It's still subset of B. And B is superset of A. Now, if the members of A are 1, 2, 3, and 4, and elements of B are 1, 2, 3, and 4. Is A still a subset of B? Yes. Because every member of A is present in subset in set B. So therefore, A is a subset of B. Now, every member of A is the member of B. So it means a set is a subset of itself. A set is a subset of itself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Same set. So a set is a subset of itself. So A is a subset of B and B is a superset of A in this case also. Okay? Now, there's another type. I hope you have understood the subset and the superset. There's another term, proper subset. Proper subset. That is number 9. Proper subset. This is the symbol of proper subset. Now, In proper subsets, one of the two sets must be smaller, must have fewer elements than the elements of the other set. One of the sets must have at least one extra element, at least one extra element. एक से ज्यादा भी हो सकते हैं, मगर कम से कम एक एलिमेंट ज्यादा हो दो सेट्स में से एक सेट का. यानी एक सेट जो है उसके एलिमेंट्स कम हो, दूसरे सेट के एलिमेंट्स ज्यादा हो, तो फिर वो प्रॉपर सबसेट होगा. ठीक है, अब देखते हैं. ये वही मैं एग्जांपल लेता हूं. 1 2 A is 1 2 and B is 1 2 3 and 4. Now A is a proper subset of B because set A is smaller than set B. The elements of set A are fewer than the elements of set B. Okay, so A is a proper subset of B, but A is a subset of B also. So I can write here A is a subset of B and A is proper subset of B. Both are correct in this case. Now, if I write A is equal to 1, 2, and 3, now, is A still a proper subset of B? Yes, because B has one element extra, 1 2 3 4, and A has 1 2 3. So A is a proper subset of B. But it is a subset of B also. So I can write it. A is a subset of B and A is a proper subset of B. So, third case. Now, A is 1, 2, 3, 4. G. Is A a proper subset of B? No. A is not a proper subset of B because the number of elements in A, the elements in A are same which are elements in B, so it is not a proper subset of B. Yes, it is a subset of B. A is a subset of B, but A is not a proper subset of B. A is not a proper subset of B. A is a subset of B. So you can say that every subset is a proper subset, but every proper subset is not a subset. Look, here in this case, you have a proper subset. You have a subset and a proper subset. You have a subset and a proper subset. You have a subset, but you don't have a proper subset. So, every subset is not a proper subset, but every proper subset is a subset. Proper subset is a subset. Proper subset is a subset. Proper subset is not a proper subset. Proper subset is not a subset here. So, try to understand that a proper subset is a subset which has all the members in another set, and that another set has at least one extra member. So you must remember it. So this was about the proper subset. Now let's go ahead and see what is the next type. Yes, complement set. What is this? Complement set. Now, dear viewers, complement set has a lot to do with the universal set. If you have understood the universal set, you will very easily be able to understand the complement set. Let me write the universal set first. Universal set is represented by U, you know it. U is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So, a set of first 10 natural numbers. This is the universal set. Okay. Now, I have a given set here, set A, which is all the even numbers from 1 to 10. Set of all the even numbers from 1 to 10. So this is set A. Now what is a complement set? Complement set is the set which has all the members. Remember, complement set. Now complement set is represented by a oblique bar which is called prime, or A C. It can be represented by A prime or A C. So complement set. Complement set. Now what is complement set? The complement set is the set which has all the members of universal set which are not present in the given set. Now A is given set. So a complement set is a set which has all the members of the universal set which are not present in the given set A. Now, which members are not present in the given set A? You just cross these members, 2 with 2, 4 with 4, 6 with 6, 8 with 8, 10 with 10. Now, the remaining members, remaining elements are the elements of complement set. What are those? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So this is A prime, complement set. So what is complement set? A complement set is a set which has all the members in the universal set which are not members of the given set. So they now these members in the given, they are selected members. Selected members. We have selected this set ourselves. Now we have to find out the complement set. How can we find out the complement set? The remaining members. Remaining members. Remaining members. ये complement set होता है. Remaining members. Remaining members. You cannot find out complement set if you do not have with you universal set and the given set. To find out complement set, you must have two sets with you. One is the universal set and other is the given set, set A. Only then you can find out complement set. And it's very easy. The members of the given set are subtracted, are taken out. Rest all members are written here. सारे मेंबर यूनिवर्सल सेट में से जो गिवन सेट के अंदर हैं उनको निकाल दें और बाकी मेंबर्स को यहां पे लिख दें तो वो कॉम्प्लीमेंट सेट बन जाएगा. ठीक है, मैं इसको ए प्राइम से ही लिखूंगा, ज्यादा इसी से लिखा जाता है. ठीक है, सो नाउ ए प्राइम इज 1 3 5 7 9. Hope you have understood the complement set. Now let us see further details of this complement set and universal set. If you combine the members of the complement set and the given set, if you combine them, you will get universal set. I mean 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. दिस इज यूनिवर्सल सेट. यानी इन दोनों को आप कंबाइन कर दें, यानी क्या करेंगे आप, ए सेट ए, कंबाइन को क्या कहते हैं, यूनियन कहते हैं ना सेट में. ये यूनियन को यू से याद करते हैं ना. ए यूनियन बी इज इक्वल टू यूनिवर्सल सेट. ये यूनिवर्सल सेट है. यूनिवर्सल सेट को यू से जाहिर करते हैं. ये इस यूनियन को इससे कंफ्यूज ना करना. इसका मतलब यूनियन है, इसका मतलब यूनिवर्सल है. ठीक है, ए यूनियन बी का मतलब है कि ए के मेंबर्स को बी के मेंबर्स के साथ मर्ज कर दिया, कंबाइन कर दिया, इकट्ठे कर दिया दोनों को. ये यूनियन का ये मतलब है. तो ए यूनियन बी क्या आ गया हमारे पास, यूनिवर्सल सेट. देख लें, ए यूनियन बी हमारे पास यूनिवर्सल सेट. मगर हमारे पास ए इंटरसेक्शन बी क्या आएगा. ए इंटरसेक्शन ये होता है इन्वर्टेड यूनियन का साइन, उसको इन्वर्ट उल्टा लिख दें तो इंटरसेक्शन होता है. ए इंटरसेक्शन बी. और आपको पता है इंटरसेक्शन का क्या मतलब होता है, द एलिमेंट्स विच आर कॉमन टू बोथ द सेट्स. इस सेट में और इस सेट में, कॉम्प्लीमेंट सेट में और गिवन सेट में जो एलिमेंट्स कॉमन हैं वो हम ए इंटरसेक्शन बी में लिख देते हैं. ठीक है, ए इंटरसेक्शन बी इज इक्वल टू, इनमें क्या कॉमन है, इसमें 2 है, इसमें 2 है नहीं, इसमें 4 है, इसमें 4 है नहीं, इसमें 6 है, इसमें 6 है नहीं, इसमें 8 है, इसमें 8 है नहीं, इसमें 10 है, इसमें 10 है नहीं. तो कोई भी कॉमन नहीं है. इसका क्या मतलब, फिर ए इंटरसेक्शन बी क्या आएगा, एम्प्टी सेट आएगा ना. 5 लिख दें, 5, या फिर वो सिर्फ आप करली ब्रैकेट लिख दें, ये दोनों ही ठीक है. ठीक है, तो आपने याद रखना है, ये चीज आपने याद रखनी है. In case of complement set and universal set, A union B नहीं है यार, गलत हो गया. A union A complement, B किधर आ गया यहां से, A union A complement, A union A complement and A intersection A complement. A intersection A complement set. Given set union complement set, given set intersection complement set. तो अब ये और ये सेट जब इनको हम यूनाइट करेंगे, कंबाइन करेंगे, तो हमारे पास ये सारे मेंबर्स आ जाएंगे जो कि यूनिवर्सल सेट है. तो इज इक्वल टू यू आ गया. ठीक है, और जब हम इनका ए और ए प्राइम, इसको प्राइम कहते हैं, ए और ए प्राइम का इंटरसेक्शन लेंगे, यानी देखेंगे कि इनमें कॉमन मेंबर कौन सा है, तो वो सेट हमारे पास आ जाएगा. तो इनमें कॉमन मेंबर कोई नहीं है तो एम्प्टी सेट आ जाएगा. उसको 5 भी लिखते हैं और इस तरह भी लिखते हैं. ठीक है, तो ये चीज आपने याद रखनी है. अच्छा जी, अब मैं यहां पे मिटाता हूं. अच्छा, वैसे एक डिसजॉइंट सेट भी होता है, यहां पे हमने सीखा है अभी वो डिसजॉइंट सेट। अगर दो सेट्स में कोई भी एलिमेंट कॉमन ना हो तो उस सेट को डिसजॉइंट सेट कहते हैं। ठीक है, डिसजॉइंट सेट इज अ सेट वेयर नो एलिमेंट टू द टू सेट्स इज कॉमन, कोई भी कॉमन नहीं है, एम्प्टी सेट है, उसको डिसजॉइंट सेट भी कहते हैं। ठीक है, ये भी याद रखना आपने, डिसजॉइंट सेट। ये मैं लिख नहीं रहा कि उसका, जैसे मैंने वो सुपर सेट नहीं लिखा और ये डिसजॉइंट सेट भी नहीं लिख रहा, यानी डिसजॉइंट सेट आप समझ गए हैं, दो सेट्स हैं और उनमें कोई एलिमेंट कॉमन नहीं है तो दैट इज डिसजॉइंट सेट। और अगर दो सेट्स हैं उनमें अगर एक भी एलिमेंट कॉमन है तो उसको ओवरलैपिंग सेट्स कहते हैं। ओवरलैपिंग, ये भी यहां नहीं लिख रहा, आप सिर्फ सुनते जाएं। उसको ओवरलैप, अगर एक कॉमन है तो ओवरलैपिंग, दो कॉमन है फिर भी ओवरलैपिंग। अगर सारे के सारे कॉमन है, मतलब एक सेट में है 1 2 3 4, सेट ए इज 1 2 3 4, सेट बी इज 1 2 3 4, तो सारे ही कॉमन है तो फिर भी ओवरलैपिंग, मगर दैट इज कंप्लीट ओवरलैप। और जब कंप्लीट ओवरलैप होता है तो क्या होता है, ए इज इक्वल टू बी, इक्वल सेट, हमने पढ़ा है कल। इक्वल सेट यानी सारे मेंबर ए के और बी के सेम है, दैट इज इक्वल सेट। तो फिर वो ओवरलैपिंग भी है और इक्वल भी है, तो ये भी आपने याद रखना है। डिसजॉइंट सेट्स एंड ओवरलैपिंग सेट्स ये अपोजिट हैं। डिसजॉइंट सेट्स कोई कॉमन नहीं है और ओवरलैपिंग सेट्स जिसमें एलिमेंट्स कॉमन होते हैं। अच्छा, खैर हम यहां पे वापस आते हैं। अच्छा जी, अब आप मुझे ये बताएं, ये 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 ये यूनिवर्सल सेट है हमारे पास। अगर मैं ये कहूं कि मेरे पास गिवन सेट जो है दैट इज 5 एम्प्टी सेट है, गिवन सेट मेरे पास एम्प्टी सेट है, तो मुझे बताएं कि कॉम्प्लीमेंट सेट क्या होगा, ए प्राइम क्या होगा। जी, जो गिवन सेट है, मुझे बताएं कॉम्प्लीमेंट सेट की क्या डेफिनेशन होती है। कॉम्प्लीमेंट सेट इज द सेट विच हैज all the members of the universal set which are not present in the given set. All the members of universal set which are not present in given set. अब गिवन सेट में तो इनमें से कोई भी प्रेजेंट नहीं है, इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि ए कंप्लीमेंट तो ये सारे के सारे हो गए, ए कंप्लीमेंट तो पूरा यूनिवर्सल सेट हो गया, तो ए कंप्लीमेंट इज इक्वल टू यूनिवर्सल सेट। अगर गिवन सेट मेरे पास एम्प्टी सेट है तो फिर मेरे पास ए कंप्लीमेंट इज इक्वल टू यूनिवर्सल सेट। अब इसके अगेंस्ट कंट्रेरी टू दूसरी बात करता हूं मैं। अगर मेरे पास गिवन सेट जो है ए दैट इज 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, ये मेरे पास गिवन सेट है। और यूनिवर्सल सेट क्या है, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10। गिवन सेट क्या है, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10। तो अब मुझे बताएं मेरे पास ए प्राइम कॉम्प्लीमेंट सेट क्या होगा। कॉम्प्लीमेंट सेट की क्या डेफिनेशन है, complement set is the set which has all the members of the universal set which are not present in A. अब इसके कौन कौन से A में प्रेजेंट नहीं है, सारे प्रेजेंट है, तो फिर A प्राइम क्या आएगा, एम्प्टी सेट, क्योंकि सारे के सारे मेंबर्स तो A में हैं। अब A प्राइम में आपने क्या लिखना है, इसने जब कंप्लीमेंट का मतलब कंप्लीट करना, इसने जब इसके साथ कंप्लीट करके यूनिवर्सल सेट बनाना है तो कोई चीज ऐड करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है, एम्प्टी सेट ऐड कर दे इसमें बस। तो ए प्राइम इज एम्प्टी सेट। क्लियर हो गया। अच्छा, अब आप मुझे एक और बताएं, ये यहां तक क्लियर है बात कि इफ गिवन सेट इज एम्प्टी सेट, the complement set will be universal set, and if the गिवन सेट इज यूनिवर्सल सेट, ये यूनिवर्सल सेट सारा यूनिवर्सल है ना, यानी मैं इस ए को ये भी लिख सकता, ए इज इक्वल टू यू, सेट ए इज इक्वल टू यूनिवर्सल सेट, ये यूनिवर्सल सेट है ना सारा। अगर ए यूनिवर्सल सेट होगा तो ए प्राइम एम्प्टी सेट है, और अगर ए एम्प्टी सेट होगा तो ए प्राइम यूनिवर्सल होगा, यानी ये अपोजिट हो जाएंगे। ठीक है, तो अब आप ये देखें जरा, इसके बाद ये जो 5 प्राइम है, ये 5 प्राइम है, ये क्या होगा? 5 प्राइम एम्प्टी सेट प्राइम, जी ये किसके बराबर होगा? क्या मतलब होता है प्राइम का? ऑल द मेंबर्स ऑफ यूनिवर्सल सेट। तो 5 प्राइम क्या होगा? यूनिवर्सल सेट। 5 प्राइम क्या है? यूनिवर्सल सेट। और अगर मैं ये कहूं यू प्राइम, यू प्राइम, वही बात जो मैंने पहले की थी कि यानी यू जो है उसमें जितने मेंबर हैं यू प्राइम में भी वो सारे मेंबर हैं। ठीक है, तो अब यू प्राइम जो होगा वो किसके बराबर हो जाएगा? फिर यू प्राइम, यू जो है वो ये है, और यू प्राइम, अब यू में हम क्या ऐड करेंगे कि ये यूनिवर्सल सेट रहे? यू प्राइम इज इक्वल टू 5, एम्प्टी सेट इसमें ऐड करेंगे ना, तो यू प्राइम एम्प्टी सेट होगा, एम्प्टी सेट होगा यू प्राइम, क्योंकि यू जो है वो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 है, और यू प्राइम क्या होगा? एम्प्टी सेट। ठीक है, और 5 प्राइम क्या होगा? यूनिवर्सल सेट। यानी 5 का बिल्कुल अपोजिट, ये तो एम्प्टी होता है ना 5, तो 5 प्राइम क्या हो गया? 5 का बिल्कुल अपोजिट 5 प्राइम हो गया। ठीक है, तो ये भी आपने याद रखना है। अच्छा जी, आगे चलें। यस, आगे है एक, there are more things about complement set and universal set. If set A is equal to set B, then set A complement or complement set A will be equal to complement set of B. And if set A is a subset of set B, then complement set B will be subset of complement set A. And if set A is proper subset of set B, then complement set B will be a proper subset of complement of set A. Now we'll prove all these three things from the complement set and universal set. So universal set, say we have 8 natural numbers, first 8 natural numbers, and we have a subset A which is 1 and 2. This is subset of universal set. Then B is another subset of universal set which is 1 2 3 4. So these are two subsets of universal set. Now, if A is 1 and 2, what will be A complement? Complement set A. So everything in the universal set except the elements in A will be A complement. तो 1 और 2 के अलावा बाकी सारे 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ये कॉम्प्लीमेंट सेट होगा A प्राइम जिसको हम कहते हैं. तो when A is 1 and 2, A prime will be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 because A union A prime will be universal set. So this is A prime. And we have set B which has 4 elements 1, 2, 3 and 4. So what will be B complement? B prime, complement set of B. Everything in the universal set except the elements which are in set B. That will be B prime or complement set B. So except 1, 2, 3, 4 which is in B, the rest are B prime. Those are 5, 6, 7, 8. So you don't have to include 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You are left with 5, 6, 7, 8. So 5, 6, 7, 8 is B prime. Now, let us see this first. If A, I have made another subset from the universal set. If A is 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is also 1, 2, 3, 4, A is equal to B. All the elements of A are present in B. Then A prime is equal to B prime. So what is A prime here? If A is 1, 2, 3, 4, what is A prime? Except 1, 2, 3, 4, everything in the universal set 5, 6, 7, 8. And what is B prime? So B is also 1, 2, 3, 4. So except 1, 2, 3, 4, all other elements in universal set 5, 6, 7, 8. So A prime is 5, 6, 7, 8. B prime is also 5, 6, 7, 8. When A is equal to B, when all the elements of A are present in set B, I mean when A is equal to B, then A prime will be equal to B prime. So A prime has 5, 6, 7, 8 and B prime is 5, 6, 7, 8. So when A is equal to B, then A prime will also be equal to B prime. So we have proved it, right? Now let's prove this. If A is subset of B, then B prime is subset of A. Now A is subset of B. Look, A is 1 and 2. And B is 1, 2, 3, 4. So A is subset of B. A is subset of B. Now B prime will be subset of A. Now A prime we have already found out here is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is A prime. Our B prime we have found out 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 5, 6, 7, 8 is present here 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So B prime is subset of A prime. So B prime is subset of A prime. So if A is subset of B, then B prime is subset of A prime. Here we have proved it. And if A is proper subset of B, now here A is proper subset of B. There are 2 elements in set A and there are 4 elements in set B. So A is a proper subset because A subset has fewer elements than the ones which are in the B set. So A is a proper subset of B. When A is a proper subset of B, then B prime is a proper subset of A. Now, this B prime is a proper subset of A prime. You can see 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 3 and 4 are extra elements. So, to be a proper subset, one of the two sets has to have more elements. So this has more elements and this has less elements. So B prime is subset of, no, proper subset of A prime. So we have proved from this universal set and the complement set that when A is equal to B, A prime is equal to B prime. And if A is a subset of B, B prime is a subset of A prime. And if A is proper subset of B, B prime is a proper subset of A. I hope you must have understood these equations also. Now, let's go ahead and see what is next on the cards. Yes. The next is taking complement twice returns the original set. This is very important. For example, we have this universal set and the members are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. These are the members of universal set. Now, if we have A, set A, because this is universal set, so we must have a given set which is A. If we have set A 1 and 2, what will be A prime? So everything in the universal set except these two members. So 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, and 5. This is A prime. Now, if we take prime of the prime, if we take the prime twice, अब A प्राइम का भी हम अगर प्राइम ले लें, A प्राइम तो ये है और A प्राइम का प्राइम अगर हम लें, A प्राइम प्राइम, A प्राइम प्राइम, तो वी आर टेकिंग द प्राइम ट्वाइस. अब A प्राइम तो हमारे पास ये है 3, 4, 5 और इसका प्राइम क्या होगा, यानी इसमें से ये 3 के अलावा बाकी यूनिवर्सल सेट में all the members of the universal set which are not here, इनके अलावा except these 3, so we will be having 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Now, what was our given set? A, 1 and 2. And what is A prime prime? Twice the prime of A. Once here and then here. Twice the prime of this A. A prime, then A prime, prime of A prime. When we take prime of the prime, we return back to the original given set. The original given set is 1 and 2, so this is also 1 and 2. When we take prime of the prime, we return back to the original given set. So A is 1, 2, and prime of A prime is also 1 and 2. So this is taking complement twice returns the original set. Taking complement twice. एक दफा यहां पे कंप्लीमेंट लिया, फिर यहां पे कंप्लीमेंट लिया. दो दफा जब हम कंप्लीमेंट लेंगे तो हम क्या करेंगे? वी विल रिटर्न टू द ओरिजिनल सेट. हम इसकी तरफ रिटर्न कर जाएंगे, वही हमें वापस मिलेगा. जब दो दफा इसका प्राइम लेंगे तो वही हमें ओरिजिनल सेट हमें मिल जाएगा. ठीक है, तो एक ये चीज मैंने आपको समझानी थी. अब एक और इंपॉर्टेंट चीज इसी से मुतल्का है, मैं इसको इधर ही रखता हूं. बल्कि मेरा ख्याल है कि मैं दोबारा लिखता हूं. नाउ दिस इज अ बिट tricky thing which I am going to explain now. Therefore, you have to be very attentive. Universal set is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. This is our universal set. Okay? Now, set A is having all the even numbers which are present in the universal set. So, set A is a subset of universal set having all the even numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Okay. This is our set A. Now, there's another set B, which is also subset of A, that has all the odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Clear? Now, dear viewers, if I combine these both, set A and set B, I will get universal set. Okay? How will I do it? A union B is equal to what? Universal set. Yes, इसको इसके साथ जब मैं मिलाऊंगा 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, तो ये यूनिवर्सल सेट बन जाएगा. तो A union B is equal to universal set. Clear? Now, if I take prime of A union B, you know that A union B is universal set, meaning thereby A union B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A union B is, just put A union B here, because A union B is equal to universal set. So A union B is 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 10. What about the complement of A union B? A union B whole complement. A union B whole complement. What about this complement A union B? You know that A union B is all these elements, which is U, universal set. But A union B prime complement of A union B, all those, A union B is this, and A union B complement is all the set in the universal set, all the elements in universal set which are not present in A union B. Every element of universal set is present in A union B. Now, when you will subtract or you will exclude all the elements of A union B from the universal set, you will get this. When you will exclude all from 1 to 10 from this set, you will get empty set, phi. So A union B prime is equal to empty set, phi. A union B is universal set and A union B prime is empty set. Now, what is A prime? A is this, and what is A prime? I will write here, although there's not much space, but I'll try to adjust. A prime is equal to all the members in universal set excluding these ones which are in A. So A prime is 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. This is A prime. And what is B prime? B prime is equal to all the elements in the universal set except these ones which are in set B. Okay? So except 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. That is 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. So you have found out A prime and B prime also. Now, what is the, if I take intersection of A prime and B prime, if I take A prime intersection B prime, I mean the common elements to both of these sets, A prime और B prime दो सेट हैं, इनमें कॉमन एलिमेंट कोई है? कोई नहीं है. तो क्या है ये? इज इक्वल टू एम्प्टी सेट. ये देखें, A prime intersection B prime is empty set. A union B whole prime is equal to empty set. A union B whole prime is equal to empty set. A prime intersection B prime is equal to empty set. So this is also equal to empty set and this is also equal to empty set. It means that A union B prime is equal to A prime intersection B prime. Because A union B prime is equal to empty set, A prime intersection B prime is equal to empty set. So this is also equal to empty set, this is also equal to empty set. Therefore, this is equal to this. A union B whole prime is equal to A prime intersection B prime. So this is a result. This is a rule. This which was given by De Morgan. This is De Morgan's law. De Morgan's law. A union B whole prime is equal to A prime intersection B prime. This was the first law of De Morgan. There's another law. There were two laws. Okay, let me erase this and please try to remember that this is a universal set having 10 elements. I am erasing it, but you have to remember it because I have left with very small space on this board. Now, the second law he gave is A intersection B whole prime. Here it was A union B whole prime, here it is A intersection B whole prime is equal to A prime union B prime. A prime union B prime. But in the first law, we saw that in the first law, A union B whole prime is equal to A prime intersection B prime. This was the first law. And the second law is A intersection B whole prime is equal to A prime union B prime. Now, similarly, you can prove this also. A intersection B. What is A intersection B? A और B में कोई कॉमन है? A और B में तो कोई कॉमन नहीं है. सेट A और सेट B में कोई कॉमन नहीं है. तो क्या मतलब है? जब कोई कॉमन नहीं है तो A इंटरसेक्शन B क्या होगा? एम्प्टी सेट फाई. जब ये एम्प्टी सेट है A इंटरसेक्शन B, तो इसका प्राइम क्या होगा? यूनिवर्सल सेट. वो जो यहां मैंने लिखा था पूरे 10 के 10 एलिमेंट, तो ये यूनिवर्सल सेट के बराबर है. ठीक है. A इंटरसेक्शन B प्राइम, क्योंकि A इंटरसेक्शन B जो है ये एम्प्टी सेट है, और एम्प्टी सेट का प्राइम क्या होता है? यूनिवर्सल सेट. हम पहले बता चुके. तो ये यूनिवर्सल U है. दिस इज U इज इक्वल टू A प्राइम यूनियन B प्राइम. वेयर इज A प्राइम? हेयर 1 3 5 7 9, and B prime union 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So A prime union B prime is universal set, because when you combine these two sets, it will give you universal set. A prime union B prime 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So it will give you universal set. So A prime union B prime is equal to universal set. So this is also universal set, and this is also universal set. So we have proved that A intersection B prime is equal to A prime union B prime, like we proved here that A union B prime is empty set. Similarly, A prime intersection B prime is also empty set. So what Morgan has tried to actually describe, he has basically converted union to intersection and intersection to union. He has proved that union can be changed to intersection and intersection can be changed to union. So these are two laws of De Morgan. They're called De Morgan's law, and you cannot understand them without a universal set and complement set. Let's go ahead and do the final thing. The last set which we are going to study is called power set. Power set. Power set. That is PA. It means power set A. Power set A. What is a power set? What is a power set? A power set is a set whose elements are also sets. All the subsets of the power set, all the subsets of a set make it a power set. I'll explain it with the help of an example. For example, A is equal to 1 and 2. There are two elements. Now, how many subsets are there in this set? You know that empty set is a subset of every set. So the first subset of this set, first subset of set A is empty set. This is first subset. And the second subset is 1. Is 1 subset of set A or not? Yes, it is subset. And the second subset is 2. Now, this is the first, second, and third. So 2 is the third subset of set A. Now, another one. 1 and 2. 1 and 2 is also subset of 1 and 2, because we have already studied that a set is a subset of itself also. So this is subset of this. So how many subsets are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now how will you write power set A? Power set A. So these are the elements of power set A. There are 4 elements, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And how do you write the set in curly brackets? You will put a curly bracket here and another curly bracket here. These are the elements. Empty set, this singleton set, again singleton set, and this is the subset of itself. So 4 elements. And here you will write PA is equal to, I don't have place, but I will write here. PA is equal to this one. And there's another thing which you must remember, and I will tell you. You can find out the number of elements of a power set. Here the number of elements are 4. How can you find out in advance that the number of the how many number of elements a power set has? There's a formula. That is 2 raised to the power n. 2 raised to the power n. And n is the number of elements in the given set. Here number of elements are 1 and 2. So 2 raised to the power 2. And 2 raised to the power 2 is equal to how much? 4. 2 into 2, 4. So 4 subsets. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 subsets. Now, if you have a set which has 3 elements, how many subsets will you have? Just calculate. You have a set. You have a set which has 3 elements, 1, 2, and 3. So how many subsets will be there of the power set? 2 raised to the power n is equal to 2 raised to the power 3, because there are 3 elements. N is 3. So 2 raised to the power 3 is 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 8. So 8. There will be 8 subsets. I'll make 1. So power set A is equal to empty set. Then this 1 singleton set. Then 2 singleton set. Then 3 singleton set. Then 1 and 2 singleton set. Then 1 and 3 singleton set. And then 2 and 3 singleton set. 2 and 3, sorry, this is not singleton set. It has This has two elements. This also has two elements. These three are not singleton sets. And then is the subset of itself 1, 2, and 3. And now you close it with curly bracket. Now count the members 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8. So there are 8 elements of this power set. Power set A has 8 elements. So this is how you explain the power set. Power set is a set whose elements are also sets. Okay? And you can find out the number of subsets. Power set is a set of subsets of all the subsets of a set. All the subsets of a given set. Given set is A. It's all of its subsets are the elements of power set. All of its subsets are the elements of the power set. And how will you find out? This is the formula 2 raised to the power n. What is n? N is number of elements. And the subsets, they grow explosively. If it is 2, if there are 4 elements, 2 raised to the power 4 is 16. If there are 5 elements, 2 raised to the power 5 is 32. And if there are 6, then 2 raised to the power 6 is 64. And if there are 10, 2 raised to the power 10 is 1042. If there are 10 elements, how many subsets will be there? 1042 subsets in the power set. So I hope you have understood. So this was all about the types of sets. I have given you almost all types of sets and tried to explain them in detail. And this was the second part of our topic sets in mathematics. And in the third part, we will learn more about the sets. Till then, I beg your leave. Thank you very much and Allah Hafiz.